software is paramount. Good scanning software creates a workflow that makes the scanner easier to use, it makes it faster, and most importantly, it provides you with an image that most often is better than the original. Contex A's Nextimage software is loaded full of features to make the scanner shine. We built the interface in a manner where the most often used features are easy to get access to, and more importantly, are easily customizable so each operator can have their own configuration. Nextimage includes a range of powerful tools to optimize the results for every use. If productivity is at the forefront of your needs, you can turn on batch scanning, for example. This allows you to simply insert one document after another and focus on paper handling. Nextimage will automatically name, it will automatically rotate, adjust image quality, remove background noise, etc. from the images. All you have to do is pay attention to inserting one document after the next. No need to touch the PC or even a touchscreen. If outputting to a printer is important to you, Contex is the absolute best in its class in producing copies. Contex supports the greatest number of large format printers in the industry. But not only do we include the drivers for you, we also include a very advanced color calibration wizard, allowing you to output a color target to the printer, rescan that, and come up with a perfect color match between the printer and between the scanner. You don't have to have any color experience whatsoever to produce perfect color results. When scanning, it's not only important to produce perfect images, but you need to be able to produce them in the simplest manner possible. Nextimage has matured into a solid platform after years and years of customer feedback. Listening to our customers has allowed us to grow Nextimage into a one-of-a-kind scanning application.